Hello everyone, this is SurajBaviskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel SurajBaviskar Trading. I am very delighted to see your response to my earlier videos and really want to thank you guys for your love, support and comments. I do need more love, support and comments on upcoming videos so that I can share valuable information or topic with you guys. Today, I am going to discuss regarding the topic analyzing corporate news and its effect or impact on stock prices. So, we'll see the different type of news coming up for the companies like positive earning report, negative earnings report, mergers and acquisition, product launch or innovation, regulatory approvals, management changes, legal issue or scandals, dividend announcement, share buyback program for the company, guidance and outlook for the company, and microeconomic factors. So these are various factors or news which companies may come up with and its impact or effect on the stock prices. So we'll move to a first news, that is positive earning reports. So guys, each and every company is announcing their quarter to quarter results, and they are sharing their earning reports with the SEBI as well as all investors. So usually if positive earning report is there for the company, usually it leads to rise in a stock price. Investor views strong financial performance is favorably and they are buying their position into that stock. So stock price is rising in such case. Company example, company exceeds the profit expectation, a company has increased the revenue growth, or they raise the guidance for the upcoming quarter or half year or year. So that is the positive sign. Coming to negative earning reports. Negative earning reports often results in decline in a stock price. Poor financial result may lead to investors' concern. So investor may concern for the poor results. Example, missed earnings expectation. So whatever expectation company has set for the next quarter, and if it is not matched, then definitely it is considered as a negative earning report and price are declining. Stock prices are declining in such cases. Declining in the revenues or lower guidance given by the company. So in that case also it is considered as a negative earning report, and you may see that the stock prices may decline in that case. Next aspect is merger and acquisition news of the company. Stock prices may rise for the acquiring company and fall for the target company. So that is one thing. Acquisition of a competitor or merger announcement or deal cancellation can impact on the stock. So you need to analyze that news in that sense. Next news is product launch or innovation. Positive impact on the stock prices as company is announcing a new product launch. So if new product is well received or accepted by the company, so it will lead to increase in their revenues, profit. So it is considered as a positive news. For example, introduction of a breakthrough product or successful clinical trials. So those are the few examples. Next news is regulatory approvals. Regulatory approvals is considered as a positive news, generally lead to an increase in stock prices indicating business growth and hence impact or it increase the profit. So FDA approval for pharmaceutical product or companies, regulatory clearance for the new service. So these are the few positive regulatory approval news. Coming to next, management changes. This is very important and applicable to all domain, all sectors across the globe, across the exchange. The impact can be positive or negative depending on the investor perception of the new leadership. So management change. So some appointment of a new management or resignation of a key personnel. So it may be considered as a positive as well as negative depending on the situation. So you need to evaluate that and take your position accordingly. Examples are appointment of a respected CEO is a positive news, and sudden departure of a key executive can be considered as a negative news, or that may impact the performance of a company in coming quarter. Next point is legal issues or scandals. Generally result in decline in stock prices as the investor react to a potential financial impact or profit of the company. So example is lawsuits against the company, regulatory investigations against the company, ethical concerns, GST notices we might have seen in the last few weeks. So these are the legal issues, and scandals or regulatory notices to the company is considered as a negative report. Dividend announcement. Positive news for income investors, usually leading to rise in the stock price. So most of the investor or senior citizens, they are depending on a dividend amount, and they are waiting or they are expecting a good dividend announcement by the company. If it is companies announcing a very decent dividend, so it leads to increase in the stock price. So increase in dividends, special dividend payments, those are considered as a positive. Share buyback program by the company. Share buyback program may lead to increase in stock prices, as it signals the company's view its stock as undervalued. So if any company is buybacking its share from the open market, that means company is having faith in its product and its bottom line and the revenues coming in a next quarter or year. So company is having excess cash with them, so instead of investing it in somewhere else, they are buybacking their shares from the market, so that leads to boost confidence in an investor. So large shares repurchase programs specially funded by the excess cash. So you might have seen companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, they are buybacking their shares because they know a good progress in coming year. So that is a positive sign, and we as a investor or a trader, we should consider this point and take the action accordingly. Next aspect of news is guidance and outlook. Positive guidance can boost the stock prices, while negative guidance may lead to a decline in prices. So raised earning guidance, lowered revenue expectations. So in 2020, after the COVID-19 issue, most of the companies has given the lowered revenue expectation because of non-performance of their operations. So that time stocks prices has decreased or declined in their prices. So you might have seen that one. And last aspect is microeconomic factors. So external factors such as economic data or geopolitical events can impact stock prices. We have considered this in a separate video, so you might have seen that one, or if not, just go and check that video where I have explained all the impact of external global events which impact on your local stock market. So that is the video, you can go and check that video as well. So examples like interest rate changes, geopolitical tensions, and economic indicators may have impact on your stocks. So guys, these are different news. I will request you to update the comments with the example, whatever you can understand for this aspect. Give me the comments in comment sections. Definitely I am going to share a best strategy to guys who is giving a good comments with example. For example, regulatory approval for pharmaceuticals. So give me an example in the comment section. Or mergers acquisition, positive earning report, or dividend announcement, buyback program. So give comments with your example, whatever examples happen in history. So update this video with your comments. I will select few comments on that one, and I will personally share a best effective trading strategy to those guys personally. Thank you guys. Happy trading.